how to fix flashlight not working on Xiaomi phones. So if you want to fix flashlight not working on your Xiaomi phones, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your settings. Once you're on your settings, you need to tap on About Phone. Under About Phone, you need to go with the detailed info and specs. Now here, scroll down a bit until you spot the kernel version. Give it a quick tap until you enter the CIT. So it says you're 3 steps away, you're 2 steps away. So you need to tap on it and it will take you to the CID section, which is right here. Or you can also say hardware test mode. Now scroll down again and tap on notification light or LED. In my case, I have LED on my 6th option. So tap on notification light or LED. Then toggle off the button next to the first flash check if the touch turns on. If it doesn't, it might be best to send the phone or repair. But before you do that, you can go with other options as well, which is you can open up your settings again. Now from your settings, you need to scroll down and then you will find an option of privacy protection. Once you tap on privacy protection, go with all permissions. Now under all permissions, you will have the permission manager. You need to tap on camera. And once you tap on camera, you can scroll down, tap on camera and then allow every time. Or you can also select allow only while using the application. But if you select don't allow, then it won't work. Now you can check if the issue is fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go back and restart your device. And after restarting, many problems will be fixed. You can go and restart your device. After restarting, check your flashlight and it will work properly. So that's it. These were the solutions. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.